Oh, hello, guys. um, my name is Dylan. I have a cough. That's really bad, and my belly hurts a little bit whenever I cough. By the way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. No.